What's up, guys? So in this video we're going to be learning the awesome intro riff to Wonder Woman. Yes, it's going to be so much fun, so make sure you stick around so that way you can learn this awesome solo and all your friends are going to be like, what? That's so cool. That wasn't that cool, was it? No. Anyway, cue the awesome theme song intro. Oh, hey, so my name's Evan DiDio, you're watching the Evan DiDio Show, and in this video, like I said in the intro, we're going to be learning the awesome theme song to Wonder Woman. Now, before we begin, just wanted to let you know I'm coming out with videos every single Tuesday, a lot like this one actually, on song tutorials, product reviews, music theory lessons, and so much more. So make sure you smash the subscribe button, as well as click the like button, which I think I usually do that in the other order, but I think that's okay for now. Oh, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I try to do my best to get to all the comments at some point, especially if it's a question. I'll do my best to answer it as well. And if you have any video ideas, go ahead and put those in the comments as well. If you'd like to see a song tutorial or something like that, put that in the comments as well. But let's go ahead and jump into how to play this awesome intro. So whenever I first started learning this awesome riff, the main thing that caught my eye was really the rhythm, because it's not a usual song, you know what I mean? It really stands out, and it's not that easy to play with the track, but I've got the link to the song in the description below, so you can go and check that out once we're done with this video, so that way you can practice playing along with it, because that'll really help you with the timing and all that goes into the song, because it's kind of weird, the rhythm. It's not in usual, what's the word? It's kind of an irregular beat, so that's really practicing with it is what will help you the most. But let's go ahead and jump into the positioning for your fingers. Okay, so I think the first thing that I should note is you're going to tune your low E string down to the D note. From this note down to this note. And that way it matches with the key of the song whenever you're going. That really cool part. But let's go ahead and jump into the first part of the solo, which is up here on this side of the neck. So you're going to take your third finger and put it on the 14th fret. And with this, we're going to slide up to the 17th fret. Like that. Then we're going to take our second finger, put it up on the 16th fret, then our first finger on the 15th fret. So it sounds kind of weird, but here's the first part. Then after this, we're going to go back and forth 3 times between our third finger on the 17th fret and our first finger on the 15th fret. So like this. So go back and forth 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we're hitting this note again, first finger on the 15th fret. And we're doing a hammer-on pull-off onto the 16th fret with our second finger. Hammer-on pull-off. Bring our third finger back down to the 17th fret of the D string. And then go back and forth again. So far what we have is this. And then right after that, we're going to take our first finger, put it on the 15th fret, second finger goes on the 16th fret again, except this time we're going to hit it a couple times. Going to hit it 3 times total, bring our first finger back to the 15th fret, and then we're going to hit the 16th fret with our second finger again. Oh, and real quick, we're going to start off, before I start counting, I wanted to let you know this. We're going to start playing on the and of beat 3, so it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, and. Kind of like that, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and count it off, and feel free to play along with me. Oh, and if you are a beginner, let me get down here. If you are a beginner, or if you need it to go a little slower, YouTube has a really cool function to where you can hit the top 3 dots and then change the setting and also change the playback speed. So you can actually slow the video down a little bit, just that way you can play along with me if this is too fast, but I'm going to be playing it slower. Just a really cool tip there. And remember, you can always pause and rewind and make sure you get this down. And doing that will really help with your technique. But let's go ahead and count off. And I've got a metronome here. Really cool. With my line 6 amp. 1, ready, go. On the next part, we can take really any of our fingers you can use. I'm going to use my first finger for now, just to show you. We're taking our first finger and putting it on the 8th fret and then bending very slowly. And then we go down into the next part, but it sounds like this. The next part we have here goes down just a little bit further than we've gone so far. So because our low E string is tuned down to the D note, what we're going to be doing is going to take our first finger, and this is going to be a little bit of a bar across the low E string, all on the 2nd fret. The low E string, 2nd fret of the A string, and the 2nd fret of the D string. But first we're going to hit open of those 3 strings, the E, the A, and the D. Then we're going to hit it with our first finger. So it sounds like this. So we're hitting the open just 1 time, and then we're hitting the 2nd fret with our first finger 3 times. What you can do for this part though is add kind of a palm mute like this. That part sounds really cool. But when we're hitting these notes, we're kind of keeping them staccato. And then we go back into the regular solo. Let's go ahead and play it together just so that way you can get a good foundation of what it does sound like. Let's go ahead and play it together just so that way you can get a good foundation of what it sounds like. 1, ready, go. Hey guys, thank you again so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please smash the like button and then smash the subscribe button even harder than you did the like button. Oh, and comment again if you have any questions. But remember, I've got in the description below the link to the actual song, and that is the best way that you can practice this. Practicing with the song, and because it's got some crazy rhythms in there. I'm just gonna put that out there. If you haven't really listened to it yet, go check it out in the description. I really suggest doing that because it's a very interesting riff, you know? And it's actually it was really hard for me to figure out too, but I finally did, and I know you guys can as well. But again, thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to know more about what the Evan DiDio show is all about, then hit the subscribe button because videos are coming out every single Tuesday, and each one of them I know that you're going to enjoy. Videos coming out every single Tuesday with gear tutorials, as well as later I'm going to be coming out with videos on the Line 6 stuff. Really good stuff. It's a nice wireless plug. Look at how tiny it is. Just fits right into your guitar and goes straight into the amp. Amazing. Videos coming out later though, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Click one of these boxes here. There's a really cool box here, and there's a really cool box here. My first vlog is right here. What? Yes, I'm a vlogger, so subscribe if you like vloggers. Here's the subscribe button right here. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.